Hello, just trying to do a little fix to the indicators. With the engine idle, or indeed when it's switched off, they're extremely slow, so I thought it's about time I did something about that, especially as the MOT is due shortly. So the flasher unit is stored in here at the bottom of the steering column cowling, and just kind of a little metal clip at the back with two wires on it. So I got a replacement off eBay from Scott's Online Auto Jumble. Nice and quick delivery from them, thanks. And looks the same externally, so hopefully it's all going to be okay. So just connect that one back in. Now it is connected up, not clipped in yet. Let's just see if it works first. And that looks a lot better. Just need to get used to a different sound to it now. Funny how I get used to little things like that. So there it is, clipped back in then. Can't really, not very good picture, but it's all nicely seated. And then one final check, and it all looks good. So that's it. Nice quick fix. Thank you for watching.